Embarking on woodworking projects as a beginner can be an incredibly rewarding experience, especially when one focuses on techniques that significantly enhance both strength and aesthetics. The beauty of woodworking lies not only in the craftsmanship but also in the ability to create functional pieces that tell a story. By adopting beginner-friendly techniques, aspiring woodworkers can produce stunning projects that are not only visually appealing but also durable and robust, ensuring that their creations stand the test of time. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking projects ideas by using beginner-friendly techniques. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Strength in woodworking begins with the choice of materials. For beginners, understanding the properties of different woods is essential. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and cherry offer durability and a beautiful grain, while softwoods such as pine and cedar are easier to work with and more forgiving for novice hands. Selecting the right wood for a project is foundational, as it will affect both the structural integrity and the overall aesthetic of the finished piece. By choosing quality materials, beginners lay the groundwork for projects that are not only visually striking but also capable of withstanding everyday use. Once the materials are selected, the next step is mastering basic joinery techniques. Joinery is critical in woodworking, as it determines how pieces fit together and how strong the final product will be. Simple techniques such as butt joints, pocket hole joints, and lap joints can provide excellent strength without requiring advanced skills. For instance, a butt joint, while basic, can be reinforced with glue or screws, resulting in a solid connection that holds up well under stress. The key is to ensure that cuts are clean and precise, allowing for a snug fit that enhances the overall strength of the project. A pocket hole joint is another beginner-friendly technique that offers both strength and aesthetic appeal. This method involves drilling angled holes into one piece of wood, allowing screws to be driven into the adjoining piece. The beauty of pocket hole joinery lies in its hidden fasteners, which create a clean and polished appearance. This technique is particularly useful for projects like cabinets or bookshelves, where the joints may be visible. By using a pocket hole jig, beginners can achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort, enhancing both the strength and aesthetics of their work. Lap joints provide another fantastic option for beginners looking to strengthen their woodworking projects. This technique involves overlapping two pieces of wood, effectively distributing weight and stress across the joint. Lap joints are particularly effective in creating frames or tabletops, where strength is essential. The simplicity of this joint allows beginners to develop their skills, while also ensuring that their projects are sturdy and reliable. Additionally, lap joints can be visually appealing, especially when the wood is well finished, allowing the natural grain to shine through. As beginners gain confidence with joinery, they can explore more visually striking techniques that also enhance strength. Dovetail joints, for example, are often seen as a hallmark of fine woodworking. While traditional dovetailing can be intricate, simplified versions, such as half-blind dovetails, are accessible to novices. These joints not only offer exceptional strength, but also add a decorative element to drawers and cabinet fronts. The challenge of mastering dovetails can be daunting, but the satisfaction of creating a beautifully crafted joint is immensely rewarding. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Equally important to strength is the finishing process in woodworking. A well-chosen finish can dramatically enhance the aesthetic appeal of a project. Beginners should experiment with various stains, paints, and protective coatings to find the right look for their pieces. A clear varnish can highlight the natural beauty and grain of the wood, while a darker stain can add richness and depth. Finishing also serves to protect the wood from moisture and wear, further enhancing the longevity of the project. Taking the time to apply a thoughtful finish can elevate a simple piece into a stunning work of art. Moreover, incorporating design elements that emphasize simplicity and elegance can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic of woodworking projects. Clean lines and minimalist designs are particularly appealing in contemporary spaces, allowing the natural beauty of the wood to take center stage. Beginners should focus on creating pieces that are not overly complicated, as simplicity often leads to sophistication. A well-proportioned table, for example, can become a stunning focal point in a room, showcasing the beauty of the wood and the skill of the artisan. As artisans progress in their woodworking journey, they can also explore the possibilities of combining different materials. Integrating elements like glass, metal, or fabric can create striking contrasts that enhance both strength and aesthetics. For instance, a wooden coffee table with a glass top can highlight the craftsmanship of the base while providing a modern touch. This fusion of materials opens up a world of design possibilities, allowing beginners to experiment and develop their unique style. Another key aspect of enhancing aesthetics is attention to detail. Small design choices, such as rounded edges, decorative inlays, or contrasting with species, can create visual interest and elevate the overall look of a project. These details can be achieved with basic tools and techniques, making them accessible to beginners. By focusing on craftsmanship and ensuring that every aspect of the piece is thoughtfully considered, artisans can create stunning results that reflect their dedication and skill. Engaging with the woodworking community can further enhance a beginner's journey. Sharing experiences, tips, and techniques with fellow woodworkers can provide valuable insights and inspire new ideas. Online forums, local clubs, and social media platforms offer opportunities for novices to learn from more experienced artisans, fostering a sense of camaraderie and support. This connection can motivate beginners to push their boundaries and experiment with new techniques, ultimately enhancing their skills and the quality of their work. As novice woodworkers gain confidence, they should embrace the learning process and view challenges as opportunities for growth. Mistakes are a natural part of any craft, and each project presents a chance to learn and refine skills. By approaching woodworking with curiosity and a willingness to experiment, beginners can develop their unique style and voice within the craft. The journey of creating stunning pieces through beginner-friendly techniques is not just about the end result. It is also about the satisfaction derived from the process and the joy of bringing ideas to life. In embarking on woodworking projects using beginner-friendly techniques significantly enhances both the strength and aesthetics of the final pieces. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking projects ideas using beginner-friendly techniques. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.